Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make a spider out of jingle bells. Okay, so you need two bells and they need to be a big one and a little one. They can be the same color or not, it doesn't matter, but you need them to be different sizes, okay? And then you need two pieces of pipe cleaners. They can be the metallic kind, they can be the fuzzy kind, but you need two of them. And then you need some glue, and you need some googly eyes. Now, if your googly eyes happen to be the kind that are peel and stick, then you won't need the glue. Alright, so I'm going to take my two pipe cleaners, and I'm going to bend them in half like this. And then I'm going to cut them in half. Just like that. Okay? So now I have 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I'm going to take 3 of those pieces and I am going to put them through the hole in the top of the big jingle bell like that. Okay? Now, sometimes I know that when you start putting it in, it goes down like that and comes out the bottom. We don't want it to do that, okay? We want it to go straight across like that. And then I'm going to put another one in there, like that. And then I'm going to put a third one in there, like that. Well, get in there. Okay, so now I've got my 3 pipe cleaners here in this jingle bell, okay? And I'm going to pull those up like this, and I'm just going to twist them around just real tight, just one time, like that, okay? Alright, then I'm going to take my other bell, and I'm going to put the other piece in the other bell like this. Okay, so the little bell is on one piece. Okay, now here's the tricky part. So I twisted those, so I kind of got them up a little bit. You're going to take this one and you're going to put it right next to the other one. And you're going to take these and you're going to put them around that one and twist. Okay, just like that. Okay, so now you have 8 pieces of pipe cleaner coming out. Okay, so I did mine 2 different colors, so I'm going to make sure that I make a pattern with them. I think I'm going to go silver and then green and then silver and then green like this. And so I'm going to make the legs bend like that so that he's got his 8 legs. He's got his head and his body and his 8 legs. So we've got silver, green, silver, green. Okay, and then you're going to take your googly eyes and you're going to put them on your spider. Now, some people like to put them on the front part right here, and that's okay. I like to put them on the top up here. So I'm going to put just a little tiny bit of glue on there. And then I'm going to stick my googly eyes in the glue like this. That. And there. Now he's looking at you. And he says, Merry Christmas! There is a legend of a Christmas spider, and I will read that separately, okay? Have fun making a spider.